Colin, I see how you adore and worship Lindsay, and I see how genuinely happy you make her. You complement each other perfectly, and I know your future holds many promising things as you begin your new journey as husband and wife.
You have been the most precious constant in my life, and I cherish our friendship more than I have probably ever told you.
You guys bring out the best in each other, and I can't wait to see your relationship continue to grow and blossom in the future.
Colin, Lindsay, I would like you to take a look around at the people, united, all of us with love in our hearts and our minds, are with you to support you in any way you need and in any way your marriage needs as best we can.
I was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. Just forgot on the shelf, no wind in the sails, going nowhere with no one but me. I was 1 in 100 billion, a burnt out star in a galaxy, just lost in the sky, wondering why everyone else shines out but me. I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. I was a worn out set of shoes, wandering the city streets, another face in the crowd, head looking down, lost in the sound of a lonely melody. Empty pockets at a roulette, always landing on a lost bet. Just live for the spin and hope for the win, go all in just to lose again. But I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. The worst me is just a long gone memory. You put a new heartbeat inside of me. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. I was a boat stuck in a bottle that never got the chance to touch the sea. I came to life when I first kissed you. The best me has his arms around you. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours. The worst me is just a long gone memory. You put a new heartbeat inside of me. You make me better than I was before. Thank God I'm yours.
Well, it turns out, contrary to popular belief,
Colin, 3 years and 10 months ago, we had just started dating and were at a sports bar in Hoboken. We were getting to know more about each other over drinks, and at one point in the night, I turned to you and asked, "So what's your 5-year plan?" Hoping for some insight on how you were feeling about a possible future with me, You obviously did not say anything in return and looked at me like I was crazy. Obviously, that wasn't the answer that any girl falling in love would be looking for. But what Colin doesn't know was that I had an answer in case he ever asked me that same question. And I'd like to answer that question that I never got to give with you today.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Colin McCabe.
When you came to me with your bad dreams and your fears, it was easy to see you've been crying. Seems like everywhere you turn, catastrophe. And I could hold you in my arms. Oh, I could hold you forever. When you kissed my lips with my mouth so full of questions, my worried mind as you quiet. Place your hands on my face, close my eyes and say that love is a poor man's food, no prophesy.